Local news for Tuesday, the 15th of October. An eye-catching new pink tourist bus and a suite of new tours designed to showcase the best of Wellington and Wairarapa was launched at the Wellington Eye site yesterday morning. Masterton-based illustrator Chris Davidson was commissioned to design artwork that features prominently on the new branding. Don't miss out, that's the message from organisers as exhibitors' sites are selling fast for next year's Central District's Field Days. More than 600 exhibitor spaces already booked. A hui is being held Thursday night at the Copthorne around education and the ministry, and they want your input. They've developed a statement of national education and learning priorities in the tertiary education strategy, which outline the priorities for practice and places of learning and training for the entire education system. And in sport, a good opening weekend for the Giants softball. The Prem 3s beat Parramatta Plimerton in a tiebreaker, 11 runs to 10, while the Prem 2 side come away with a 10-3 win against Island Bay. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.